So we might get disconnected. Don't worry, don't panic. There is no need to panic. You can join in again if something like that happens, but that doesn't mean you will join in late. You have to join in on time. 11:55 is your time. You have to join in on time. I can see children are joining now also. I'm adding children continuously. No, I will not permit this from tomorrow. You have to join in on time. Otherwise, we will get distracted each time a child joins in. Okay? Now that was about the briefing about the class. So let's start our lesson. Today we have to start a poem, which is We Love Our School, which is on page number 19 of your English reader. Okay, so before reciting the poem for you, I want to give you a brief idea about the poem. This poem is There is one student, again I am requesting 1FK80Z. Can you please, sir, rename it? I'm giving you few seconds to rename your name. You have to give the name of the child. Alright. So let's get started. Ishan, be very attentive in your class. Ishan, very nice. Let's get started. Can I see hands raising? Can I see hands raising? Yeah, alright, let's get started. So you know what? Yes, my mom gave me 2 chocolates. My dad gave me 3 more chocolates. I will give you 2 seconds to think. What will be here in between the 2 digits? Which sign can I put in there so that I can show togetherness, so that I can show combining of 2 numbers, so that I can show that I have 5 chocolates in all? I'm giving you 2 seconds to think.
गोइंकन्स आप यहाँ पर देखेंगे यहाँ देखिए आप, ये एक खंबा जैसा है, ये हाथी की सूंड कहलाती है। इस सूंड से ये अपना हर काम करता है, चाहे खाना पीना हो, चाहे नहाना हो, पानी पीना हो, या दुश्मन से बदला लेना हो, या कोई बोझ अपने मालिक का उठाना हो। यहाँ पर देखिए आप, यहाँ पर कुछ कील जैसे दिखते हैं। ये कील नहीं, बल्कि अल्लाह ताला ने इसको खास किस्म के 2 दांत, यहाँ पर देखिए आप, यहाँ पर एक है और यहाँ पर एक, ये 2 दांत है। ये खाने के लिए हाथी इस्तेमाल नहीं करता है, बल्कि इनका एक अलग ही मकसद है। ये इनसे ये अपनी हिफाजत भी करता है। अब आप आगे देखिए, यहाँ पर अगर आप देखेंगे, ये खंबे जैसे हैं ना गोइंकन्स, ये खंबे नहीं बल्कि इसकी टांगे हैं, बिल्कुल खंभों की तरह। खंबा लकड़ी का हो,
can be drawn on paper. Now, let us define basic shapes one by one. What is this on your screen? Yeah, you're right, this is a square. It has 4 sides, 4 corners, and all sides are equal. Now look on your screen. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all its sides, that means this side and this side, all the 4 sides are equal in length. Example of square is tiles, clock, chessboard. You can think about more examples yourself. Now, what can you see on your screen? Have you ever seen this show?
So I hope you are done. So let us start with the story, The Lark and Her Baby. Aesop told short, interesting animal tales that taught useful life lessons. So his short stories are very interesting. They teach us a very good lesson which we use in our lives. It helps us. The tale below about the lark and her babies shows us how important it is to be self-sufficient and do things by oneself instead of depending on others. So today in this story we will learn about that we should not be dependent upon others to do our work. We should try to do our work ourselves. This story teaches us that self-help is the best help indeed. Yes, we will learn that self-help is the best help. If we will do our work in time.
I'm going to read a poem from our book Raindrops. So what, dear children, you will have to do, first I'll give you some instructions, listen to them very carefully. Every day you will keep a pencil, a eraser, your books and your notebooks, you have to keep them ready. Because in 25 minutes of session, you cannot run here and there to look for things. So you will have to keep them ready. One thing. Second thing that you have to listen to is that sometimes there is going to be connectivity issue. That is, you will hear the voice will break sometime, or what will happen is that you will not be able to see something on the screen, or you will miss some part of it. No worries, you can join in back. No problem with that. This happens because we are working on 2G network. Fine, dear children. So let's start. So before we start, you can open your Raindrops, page number 61. I'll give you a few seconds to open it. Okay, I hope everybody has opened their book, Raindrops, page number 61.
At 100 days. Now we'll move to 1000 days. Now since it was 6 there, now since 6 gave 1000 borrowed to 100 place, therefore instead of 6, now the digit at 1000 place will be 5. So now we can subtract 5 and 0, that is 5 minus 0. What is the result of an operation when we subtract 0 from 5? What is the result? 5 minus 0? Yes, it's the number itself. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Now we'll move to the 10,000th place. 9 minus 8. Do we need to do it on your fingers? You can already do it. What is 9 minus 8? Yes, it is equal to 1, and we'll write this one at 10,000th place. So the result of the subtraction operation between 96,231 and 80,500.